Have you ever wondered about the magic that unfolds in the blink of an eye, those moments too swift for the human gaze to grasp? Well, today we'll slow down time and delve into the mesmerizing world of nature's minutiae. Imagine a single droplet of water suspended in space, on the cusp of a fall. It hovers for a moment, a tiny crystalline orb, before it begins its descent. As it falls, it spirals, catching the light, transforming into a shimmering diamond against the backdrop of the world. It doesn't simply fall, it dances down, twirling, spinning, a ballet of gravity and fluid dynamics. And then with a gentle plip, it merges with the surface below, sending out a crown of tiny droplets in a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. Now let your mind wander to a leaf, hanging delicately from a tree branch. It's not merely attached, it's a part of a grand living tapestry, swaying gently in the whisper of the breeze. Watch as it oscillates back and forth, a lullaby of movement. Each sway is a testament to the harmony of nature, the leaf dancing in the wind's invisible embrace. Then, we move to the surface of a tranquil pond, a mirror to the world above. Watch as ripples form, each one a gentle disturbance on the water's surface. They spread out in concentric circles, each ripple a story, a memory of the pebble, the raindrop, the leaf that disturbed the calm. In the grand scheme of things, these moments might seem insignificant. A droplet of water falling, a leaf swaying, a ripple on a pond. Yet when we take the time to observe, to really see, we discover a world of beauty in these fleeting instants. So, as we leave you with these thoughts, here's a question to ponder. In our rush to seize the day, to make every second count, have we forgotten the beauty of the moments that slip through the cracks? Are we missing the magic that unfolds in the blink of an eye because we're too busy blinking? In the end, slowing down doesn't mean doing less, it means seeing more. The world is full of wonders, if only we take the time to see them. So take a moment, slow down and see the world in a drop of water, a sway of a leaf, and a ripple on a pond.